This is Module 1, Analysis of a Well-Written, Implemented Vision, Mission Statement, and Introduction. I'm William Pruitt. I've worked in education for 17 years, 11 years as a low-incident special education teacher, and 6 years as a school psychologist. I currently work in the Wichita Public Schools. I'm licensed in Texas and Kansas, and I have 3 kids, luckily all out of school now. A vision statement is a school vision statement that outlines the school's values and objectives. It communicates the organization's value and its commitment to achieving its goal. It's concise and easy to recall. It's one of the most concrete ways that vision statements affect schools is helping them to inform decision making. And a powerful statement is one that gives everyone in the organization a vivid sense of purpose in the work they do. A mission statement is a public declaration used to describe the purpose and organizational commitments. It's an integral part of an educational institution, and it lays out the educational goals, the community priorities, and the purpose of the school. With core sets of values, you look for evidence that the school community has had a hand in deciding what their school should be focusing on. The mission statement should encompass the values, the staff, the actions that the school will take, and the areas it will address. Help a school community reflect on its core educational values, operational objectives, and purpose of learning. Before you draft your mission plan, get together with several of your team, students, educators, and administrative boards and have them work on the mission statement. Also gather feedback from the community. And for it to be effective, it must clearly specify both the constituency that the organization serves and how the constituency benefits from the activities of the organization. Promotion of current and future student success. Well-written goals are believable, attainable, and based on identified needs. A clear focus should be placed on students' academic performance, so that the evaluation of school success will avoid being diluted with mission creep. Have clear, measurable, and time-based goals that are at the heart of the school experience. They're a tool used to drive growth within the school community and guide it towards the desired outcome. You want to have a goal that is realistic and can be accomplished easily. For continuous improvement, once written, the mission statement must become a living document that informs all day-to-day practices of the administration, teachers, and students. The mission statement should be the primary driving force for teachers when they are planning and implementing lessons. Schools should revise their mission statements regularly to ensure they fit the needs of the students at that time. They're going to grow and adapt with their school community and review data as an oversight team and then as a faculty to help everyone identify where the school currently stands and where it should be going. Here's the mission statement for my school. It says, Stuckey Middle School, in partnership with families and community, will provide a safe and rigorous environment where students can become empowered, inquisitive, and collaborative learners on the path to college and career readiness. This statement hasn't changed basically since I've been there for 7 years. We don't have a vision statement, but it does include some core values. The statement includes some of the things that we learned in our previous readings. Unfortunately, this mission statement hasn't had any effect on student achievement at our school. And I have no idea who collaborated to come up with this statement. It's basically our district statement, and they just took bits and pieces out of our district statement. And we haven't used any data to improve or update the plan since I've been there. Our mission statement has not influenced the improvement within our school. because there's no accountability to ensure that the mission statement is being followed. If I was on the administrative team, I would propose that we use current school data to establish the mission statement and also set benchmarks where we can see progress being made towards those goals. And if there's not being progress being made, make changes so progress can be made. The assignment correlated with the stated objectives for this module. I was able to get a better understanding what a vision and mission statement was or are and how they should be used within the school setting. I was able to evaluate my school's mission statement and look for ways to improve it. It was relevant to my learning. It showed how to develop a good vision and mission statement plan for my school. These plans will provide guidance in the way the school operates in order to maximize student achievement. How does this assignment prepare me for in the future? It showed me how important that a vision and mission statement is for our school. To design these statements, I learned that you have to get key stakeholders involved in developing the statement and create benchmarks to measure to see if you're making gains toward those goals. The other question, what other decisions in the future as a school leader could be influenced as a result of the completing this assignment? Basically every decision that we make are affected by this assignment. As a leader, we have to think about how our decisions affect all key stakeholders of our schools. And here are the references for the project. Thank you.